Right, finally, some good news on one of the coins that I follow, which is the BitTorrent token. Let's have a little look when we zoom out a bit further. So we had a great run, a really, really good, positive, strong run. Lasted for several weeks, almost, almost, well, almost tripling its price, which is brilliant for any coin really. And then, we crashed when Bitcoin had a little crash, and we failed to reach that high again. We had a lower high, and then a big sell-off, plummeting beneath the moving averages, and we've stayed beneath most of them since. In fact, we've been beneath the 200 EMA, not even trying to touch it really. It's proven to be such a strong resistance. It's just got such a gap between it. I mean, it's been pretty bad. Anyway, it looks like we've found a low now, and we have made a higher low. We've yet to make a higher high, but the fact that we've made a higher low is a good sign to me. I thought we could have sunk back down to around 0.001 at its lowest, and we still might, to be honest with you. We need to try and break above this little baby, this big fat white line, the all-important 200 EMA. Anyhow, I've popped a little pitchfork in here, and it seems to have worked for the moment. What we need to do is, we're finding resistance on the very first leg up, which is not very good, to be honest with you. Our support is barely holding as well, but we've not yet made a lower low, but we could quite easily. What we need to do is we need to break above this and make a higher high of this last peak here. Once that's been done, that'll take us up to anything over 0.00125. Okay, we need to break above that, and we need to stay above that. When this 200 EMA keeps floating down, which it will do, it will create the resistance, which will need to be broken first of all for us to make a healthy recovery. We probably, let's have a little look if we can map this out just roughly. If we could suggest that that line will come down at this angle, just roughly. If we're looking to come down at that angle at the moment, maybe it'll probably correct itself a little bit. So maybe around there. So we need to break above here. So we're going to start to see some. If we're trending sideways, for instance, now, or a little bit further up, we will be looking to meet in the middle. In around about 3 days, we should hopefully have broken to the up. If we don't go and make a new low now. So in about 3 days' time, we should start to see this pick up pace again, and hopefully when it does, it'll start moving on this trend here, where we see the pitchfork moving up there. So getting back to our previous highs towards the end of the month. Hopefully, we've got to break out of this little area first. So, like I say, by the 16th we'll know. By the 15th we will know what's going to happen to this, whether it's going to go up or down. So we've just got to wait it out a few more days and see where we're going. Now I've invested in this coin, and to be honest with you, I've already got quite a lot invested, but I did put some more in. Just about a few hours ago, really, when I had a look at this chart. So let's hope that it's going to ride it out. I know that this coin will recover quite well anyway. Whether it does it in this time frame or it takes a little longer, we don't know. But I think that this time frame should be something. This is my personal target anyway. So I'm going to give it to the end of the month to get back up here and hopefully make some new highs. Now, with Bitcoin, everything is dictated by Bitcoin. Whether you like it or not, Bitcoin needs to behave itself, and if it does, then we can hopefully move on this trend. If Bitcoin just cannot take it anymore, if the pressure's too much, if the bulls lose out to the bears, then yeah, we could quite easily see ourselves making some new lows. But let's be positive. The volume is decreasing, as we can see. The volume is decreasing quite a lot on this coin, but there are. I know there's some news in the pipeline for BitTorrent token that should help pick it up. But just going by the charts itself, it looks like it wants to recover at this point. But we won't know for a few more days. If we can keep making higher lows, then I would be pretty confident in saying that we're going to break this EMA. And once we've broken the EMA, we will find our way back up nice and probably quicker than we could imagine, actually. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take it easy.